Imagine opening your freezer, pulling out what you believe is a healthy, grain-free meal for your dog, and finding out that same food could make them seriously ill, or even put your own family's health at risk. That's the reality behind a brand new FDA food safety alert that's racing through pet owner forums and social media right now. On September 24, 2025, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration released an urgent warning aimed at pet parents who buy raw, frozen dog food. The FDA announced that 2 specific lots of Darwin's natural pet products, specifically the BioLogics all-natural and grain-free beef recipe for dogs, tested positive for dangerous bacteria. According to the agency, one sample contained Listeria monocytogenes, often shortened to Listeria, while another tested positive for both Listeria and Salmonella. This is not a minor issue. Both of these bacteria can cause serious illness in pets and in people who handle the food. The products at the center of this alert are sold in 2-pound plastic packages, each divided into 4 half-pound portions. The lots involved are number 11895, produced on July 29, 2025, and number 11826, produced on July 7, 2025. If you still have the packaging, you'll find the lot number printed on the lower left corner of the front label. If you own either of these lots, the FDA says very clearly, do not feed them to your dog. And if you aren't sure what lot you have, the safest choice is to discard it immediately. So, what's the actual danger here? Let's start with Listeria. In humans, this bacteria can lead to severe illness, particularly in pregnant women, newborns, older adults, and anyone with a weakened immune system. It causes fever, muscle aches, confusion, and stiff neck, sometimes accompanied by digestive issues. Salmonella, on the other hand, can hit both dogs and humans. In dogs, it often shows up as vomiting, diarrhea, sometimes bloody, fever, and loss of appetite. Some pets may not show any signs at all, but still shed the bacteria, spreading it around the home. In people, Salmonella usually triggers diarrhea, cramps, and fever, and in the most serious cases, it can even be life-threatening. And here's a critical fact many forget. Freezing does not kill either of these bacteria. Just because the product is frozen doesn't make it safe. The reason the FDA is urging such caution is because this wasn't a random check. They launched testing after a consumer complaint. When their labs confirmed the contamination, the agency immediately contacted the manufacturer, Aero Reliance Inc., the company behind Darwin's natural pet products. The FDA requested a recall of the contaminated lots, but according to the agency, the company has not provided sufficient evidence that all the affected food has been taken out of circulation. That means packages could still be sitting in household freezers, or in some cases, still out in distribution. If you're a pet owner, the guidance is clear. Stop feeding your dog this food if you have it. Dispose of it in a way that no other animals can reach it. Do not donate it. Clean and disinfect anything the food may have touched, whether it's your dog's bowls, utensils, countertops, your freezer, or even bedding and toys if there's a chance of contamination. And most importantly, wash your hands thoroughly after handling any raw pet food, packaging, or dishes. If your dog develops symptoms like vomiting, fever, or diarrhea, contact your vet immediately. And if you or someone in your household starts showing unusual flu-like symptoms or digestive illness after handling this food, see a doctor as soon as possible. We buy food for our pets because we want to nourish them, protect them, and show our love. But sometimes, the very thing we trust most can become the hidden danger that threatens their health. This FDA alert is a stark reminder that vigilance matters. Take a moment today to check your freezer, look at those lot numbers, and if there's any doubt, throw it out. No bag of food is worth the risk to your dog or to you. Stay safe, stay alert, and give your pets an extra hug tonight.
This is the kind of information that could save someone's pet, or even prevent a serious illness in a family member. If you know anyone who feeds their pets Darwin's products, share this information with them right away. A quick call, a message, or simply forwarding this video could make all the difference. I'd also love to hear from you in the comments. Have you ever dealt with contaminated pet food? How did you handle it? Your experience might help other dog owners who are feeling uncertain right now. And if you find this video useful, make sure to hit like so it reaches more pet parents, and subscribe to the channel for regular updates that keep your family, two-legged and four-legged, safe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you're always the first to know when new alerts break.